Can you daily drive a project car? Alright, so obviously we all have different kinds of project cars. We've got guys building their cars for the track, we've got restorations like mine, lowriders, stance boys, we've got cars built for the drag strip, cars built to drift. Obviously each different kind of project car comes with its own different challenges. Can you daily drive an old beat up car? Alright, look, let me tell you a couple of my stories driving my project. So I daily drove the Datsun for a very long time. I lived in Pensacola. I used to drive up to Atlanta and back once or twice every single month. And it sucked. It really sucked. I actually got to the point where I was scared of this car. I actually ended up selling it for a more reliable car at one point, which didn't work out because I bought it back a year later. Thankfully, I was able to find it again on Craigslist. So let me tell you a couple of my stories about driving this car. So I was 17 when I bought it, and I didn't know, anything about cars. I knew what kind of cars I thought were cool. I didn't know how to work on a car or what precautions to take. So right after buying it, like within the first couple weeks, it had really, really old tires. And so I'm driving it down the street and I hear bang! And one of the old dry rotted tires actually blew up and ripped off half of the front passenger side fender. Keep in mind, you'll definitely get pulled over a lot in an old car because something's always broken. Whether you know it or not, something is always broken. I mean, I've been pulled over countless times in this Datsun. Luckily, I've never gotten a ticket, but for some light will be out. There's always a light out. Lights are always going out in this car. It's crazy. Just there's always something wrong with it. And so while you're daily driving this car, you'll notice there's a big difference in your progress when you have a daily driver. When you have a daily driver, you'll end up doing more of the things you want to do to your car. You'll end up doing more of the fun stuff. Whereas while you're daily driving it, you have to do the boring stuff. You're gonna have to be replacing hoses, you're gonna have to be fixing wiring, you're gonna have to be doing all sorts of stuff that's not what you thought you signed up for, But that's part of it, and that's what's gonna teach you how to work on cars, really. Having a project car that you can daily drive is awesome, really. Everywhere you take it out, someone's gonna want to talk to you. Everywhere you go, somebody wants to, tell you about their car or hear what you have done to it. And it's cool, and you actually meet a lot of people that way. I mean, honestly, it's an awesome experience, and you learn a lot about cars when you're forced to work on it all the time. But things are gonna go wrong, and some of the things that go wrong are gonna be really expensive, and if you don't have anything to fall back on, it's not fun. See, the problem for people like us is that if you have a project car, chances are you really like cars. So chances are when you pick out a daily driver, it's not gonna be a cheap, reliable daily driver. You're gonna pick out something else fun, and then your money is way split. Is it worth it to daily drive your old project car? I think it is. I think it's a good experience. I think it'll teach you, a lot of what you need to know if you are really into cars. Having a project car that you actually daily drive while everyone else is sitting in the garage is really cool. It's a little bit of bragging rights. Is it smart? No, it's not smart. I don't think my Datsun will ever be a daily driver again because it's fun for a while until something breaks and people are scary. Other drivers, as you know, are terrifying. And when you're in a 40-year-old car, if you get into a wreck, it's toasted. It's gone. Bye-bye. So it really comes down to how much you love this car and how much money you have. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the Left Pedal for more cool car stuff every week. See y'all next time.